One more way for working in QuickHMI is the using of JavaScript and HTML coding. For example, you can integrate external websites into your visualization projects. For this you need the control HTML box. This you can find on the left side, under HTML. Drag and drop it into the workspace. OK, now double-click on the HTML Manager in the Project Explorer. Use the plus button to add a new element. Now you can define a code for the new element or copy an existing code into it. After this, save your entries. Now connect the HTML box with the created HTML element. To do this, click on the HTML box and select the created element under HTML in the control settings. In this example, the element block 1. You have integrated an external website into your project. Now you can show it in runtime mode. All information about the runtime mode can be found in our extensive software documentation, in the Runtime Mode chapter. This is linked in the video description.